Now that you have downloaded and installed LibreOffice, what you're going to want to do is open up LibreOffice. So you open it up and you'll see a screen that looks like this. What you want to do is choose to make a calc spreadsheet. So let that open up, and I'm just going to make this so that it's the same size of my screen. And then I go back here, and what we're going to want is I'm going to do this tutorial using some fake grade data, but I'm just going to remind you that the pendulum data from class is right here. So if I were to click on this, that would take me to the pendulum data. Right, so you'll recognize those pendulum data, but what we're going to do is, because I don't want to give you the exact solutions, I just want to show you how to do everything. I'm going to use some fake grade data. So we're going to pretend that what I've created is some data for a grade book. So these are going to be the grades in a class. So you'll see these grades, 72% and 56%. And we're going to want to make a histogram out of these data. We're going to want to find the average or the mean. And we're going to want to find the standard deviation. So we're going to want to find all of those things. So I'm going to take my fake grade data and I'm going to choose it all. So like I mentioned in class, one of the easiest ways to select a bunch of things, well, there are a few ways. So one of the ways is you click on the top cell that you want, and then you drag your mouse down till you get to the bottom, and then you can come back up and you go like that, and you've now selected all your data. Another way to do it, it's kind of the way I actually prefer to do it, is you click on the first cell, then you go to the bottom and you hold the shift key on your keyboard, and then you click on the bottom cell, and that will then also select all the data in a similar way. There are two ways to actually copy the data. You can go into the edit menu and click copy, but you'll notice that beside copy it also says Control C. So Control C is the keyboard shortcut for copying all the data. So I'm going to choose to do that. So I'm going to hit Control C, and now I have copied my data. So I'm going to now go over to my spreadsheet that I opened up inside LibreOffice. I'm going to go to the top cell, and I'm going to go edit, and I'm going to say paste. Now you'll also see that the Control V is my shortcut, my keyboard shortcut for pasting. So I'm actually going to use that instead of using the edit paste. So I'm going to say Control V, press that on my keyboard, and oops, that was actually the link for something else. So let's go back over to my spreadsheet, and let's try this again. We're going to go edit, copy. I've copied all my data. That's a good. Now you see that dashed line. That means that your data have been successfully copied to the clipboard. Now we'll go and I'll Control V, and there we go. All my data from the spreadsheet that was online are now in my my LibreOffice spreadsheet. So this is a spreadsheet. This works a lot the same as Excel. Some of the buttons are in different places, but it will understand the same formulas and the same functions, so that's really important. So I now have my data in Excel, in LibreOffice spreadsheet, and I'm going to actually stop here because that was 4 minutes. I'm just going to upload this and then we'll start a new video.